Okay, I'm gonna talk about the discourse connectors. Okay, creating longer texts such as job, application letters, college application, essays, and reports requires you to string together many small and separate ideas into larger unified whole. However, if you do not have discourse connectors, words and phrases and sentences to tie those separate ideas together, all you will have is fragments. Okay, by using discourse connectors, you show your readers how everything relates to everything else, something that is absolutely essential if you are going to get your readers to completely understand your ideas. All right, the following that I'm going to say is a basic information on discourse connectors, and then you can have the chance to practice the concept yourself. All right. These words and phrases can simply be inserted at the beginning of a sentence that you want to more clearly associate with a previous sentence. All right. Or okay. Um, Now I'm gonna explain. Well, no, not explain. I'm gonna tell some list of discourse connectors. All right. Consequently, despite this, therefore, furthermore, in addition, moreover, however, indeed, in fact, nevertheless, then. And now I'm gonna give a little example, right? Miguel worked in sales for 5 years, comma, and he worked together 3 in accounting. He is eligible for a management position. Now, I'm gonna put the discourse connector. Miguel worked in sales for 5 years, comma, and he worked another 3 in accounting. Therefore, comma, he is eligible for a management position. Okay? A number of these, consequently, therefore, however, in fact, nevertheless, then, furthermore, blah blah blah, it can also be used in other positions in sentences. So, keep in mind, and that's all for this topic, discourse connectors or discourse markers. Thank you for your attention.